Hey guys, this is a really quick way to cook fish. My kids love it. It's super easy for a quick lunch, quick dinner. I love this style of cooking fish, so here we go. This is gray sole. I love gray sole, flaky white fish, beautiful, mild flavor, love it. And my local fishmonger just got some fresh wild caught gray soles. Any kind of thin fillet like this is a really great way to do it. That's very easy. So what you're gonna want for this is, I use brown rice flour because I'm gluten-free, but you can use all-purpose flour, eggs that are whipped up, and any kind of breadcrumb. Again, I use gluten-free breadcrumbs and it tastes really good. So that's what I'm doing here, so it's gluten-free. And one trick that my friend Daphne Oz taught me is add a little bit of soy sauce to the eggs. And this little trick is great for chicken and fish, so I use it all the time. Normally, I would put pepper on this, but because my kids are gonna eat it, I'm only seasoning with salt. So you wanna salt your fish fillet really well. Then we're gonna flour. I lightly press it on there. Then we're gonna bring it through the egg wash. And for the egg, I just put in the fillet and just pull it through to coat it. And then after the egg, we're going to go straight into the breadcrumbs. And gently press down so it adheres to the fillet. You might want to scoop a little on there if your fillet's bigger than your plate. So that is perfect and ready to go in the pan. So we're doing what's called a shallow fry. So there's about 1/4 inch of oil in the bottom. I'm using organic canola oil in my carbon steel fry pan. Okay, great. So as soon as it's hot, we're gonna put in our beautiful fish. So once you put your fish in, set a timer for 2 minutes. We're gonna cover and we wait. So I like a shallow fry because I'm not a big deep fryer. I don't really submerge things deep in, like French fries are submerged in deep oil. I like a shallow fry because it's safer and you still get that golden fry crust on there. It's also easier for me to work with. Carbon steel heats up really quickly. It's like the stealthy cousin of cast iron. It's a lot lighter, it heats up quicker, it cools down quicker. But it's very similar to cast iron in that it gets a natural non-stick. It patinas the more you use it. And you also have to season it. Every time you cook with it, you have to season it so it develops that natural non-stick. Okay, timer just went off. We're gonna pause. So you guys, even though it's not a deep fry, you still have to be careful when you flip. Okay, there's that. One side. 2. Perfect. I knocked a little bit of the crust off, but look at how beautiful that looks. So now 2 more minutes. It's looking beautiful. Let that cook. So as your pans heat up, just like with any pan, you want to adjust your flame. So when I'm cooking, I'm constantly adjusting the flame on my stove, especially because I know carbon steel is a material I love. And because it heats up and it reacts quickly, I'm always modulating the fire there. Especially now the oil is really hot at this point. So this is really like almost at low right now and it's still really sizzling. Okay, let's take a peek. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, just put it right on a paper towel. Next round is going, just drop the next round right in, cover, set a timer for 2 minutes. So now again, since I took that out and I put the new cold uncooked fillets in there, it's gonna quickly drop the temperature of the oil. So now I turn the flame up a little bit to bring it back up to temperature. Wow, these look so beautiful. So look at this. Look at that gorgeous golden brown. So then we just do this in 2 more batches and we're done. Okay, we're gonna do a little flippage. Flippage is coming in 4, 3. Okay, ready? Woohoo! Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, last batch. So this one, you always want to keep a good eye on it because fish cooks really quickly. You know, that last batch was actually finished before 2 minutes was up. Only by about 10 seconds, but you always want to keep an eye on it. Okay guys, moment of truth. French sea salt. Love French sea salt. Then, little squeeze of lemon. Beautiful. So when I serve this, a lot of times I'll serve this with some maybe quinoa or a little salad, something like that, because it's so light and beautiful. And then I'll serve it, you know, you want to serve it with a lemon wedge. So now we're going to taste it. Oh. Whoa. I'm just going to pick it up with my hands and take a bite. The crunch, the golden, beautiful crunch. Oh. It's so delicate. The coating is perfectly crispy. The lemon and the salt is such an amazing touch. You could also top it with some fresh herbs. You guys, so beautiful. 2 minutes on each side, beautifully golden brown. Yum. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry, my mouth is full, I'm still eating. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys soon.